Welcome to another episode of Tech Unraveled, where we dive into the latest innovations and tools reshaping our digital landscape. Today, we're exploring an exciting piece of software called Connet, a peer-to-peer reverse proxy designed for NAT traversal. You might be wondering, what exactly does that mean? Well, let's break it down. So Connet is inspired by popular tools like ngrok and FRP, but it has a unique twist. It allows two devices to communicate directly without exposing their connection to the public internet. Imagine playing a game with a friend online. Instead of using a public server that everyone can see, you could connect directly and keep your game private. That's the kind of functionality Connet provides. One of the standout features of Connet is its peer-to-peer communication. By running the client on both the device that's exposing the service, which they call the destination, and the device that's accessing the service, or source, they minimize unnecessary traffic. This not only improves privacy, but also enhances performance since many connections can occur directly without going through a server. But what if the devices can't find a direct path to communicate? That's where relay support comes in. Connet can still maintain connectivity through a relay server, bridging the gap when direct communication isn't feasible. Speaking of security, Connet doesn't skimp here either. All connections are encrypted with TLS, ensuring that your data is safe and sound. Plus, it uses public certificates that are exchanged between peers to establish a secure connection. Pretty neat, right? Now, to get started with Connet, you actually need three devices. You'll have your server, which typically has a public IP, a destination device running a service, and a source device that wants to connect to that service. There are various configurations involved, and while it may sound a bit complicated, the developers have provided a lot of documentation to guide you through the setup. Let's talk about the practical side of things. Setting up a Connet server involves writing a configuration file and running a few simple commands. It can be as straightforward as using self-signed TLS certificates for testing, or even obtaining professional certificates from a certificate authority for a more robust solution. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds great, but I don't want the hassle of managing servers, you're in luck. Connet offers a hosted service at connet.dev, which allows you to start using it for free, connecting directly without the need for server management. Before we wrap up, let's reflect on some of the cool potential uses for Connet. Whether it's creating a private gaming server, securely accessing a work-from-home setup, or even streaming media directly to friends, the possibilities are endless. So what do you think? Is peer-to-peer technology the future of online connectivity? As always, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Join us next time on Tech Unraveled, where we'll explore more fascinating trends in technology. Thanks for listening.